And welcome to Grandad's Reviews. Today we're going to have a look at the SmallRig Monitor Hot Shoe Mounted Mount, which is a swivel and tilt. As usual, it's up to SmallRig's high standard of manufacture. It's got a nice rubber top on there, got screws, it's got the holes in it for you to do extra tightening on it, such like. Cold shoe, hot shoe mount at the bottom. So if we attach it to this 7-inch monitor I've got here, like so, tighten that up, fits like that. And move it like so. And we fit that to a camera. And we'll throw it onto the XT1 just for the time being. So the mount goes on there. Tighten that down. Give it a tweak. As you can see, it sits on the camera like so, and we can bend it down, and them out, or we can go all the way that way. A good range of movement. And we can also swivel it round, so it's pointing forward, you can see like that. So good stiffness straight out the factory, but if you find that it's either too stiff or too loose for you, you can take these little caps off here. I'll take these little caps off, and inside there's a little nut, and you can just loosen or tighten that, and there's one on the other side as well, and that'll loosen or tighten the actual tension on the swivel and tilt. Only thing I could probably say is you can't get these very tight, so there's a possibility, if you don't keep checking them, that you're going to lose them. But no, I think it's an excellent product from SmallRig again. Very useful if you need a monitor mount and you need to be facing the camera and then getting behind the camera. That's a 7-inch monitor, easy holds that. I will be doing some 2-minute tips on the XT3, which I'm filming on at the moment, so keep an eye out for those. So again, SmallRig, tilt and swivel, hot shoe mounted monitor mount. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, then give it a thumbs down. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and if you want to be notified when the videos come out, hit that bell button. Till next time, see you later.